Don't touch them. We don't want them to fly away. We don't use the water. Evie.
Evie, back up. Evie, go around.
There you go.
Okay, sit.
What? You got that piece of cactus away from her, Cameron? See, look, she's sitting on it. Evie, don't touch it. It's sharp. Get it, Cameron. Okay. Yeah.
Just throw both of them in the other cactus.
Evie, back up.
You're not listening very well. Have a seat. You can see him.
He has a little blood on his back.
There's a lot of blood on him.
I know. What kind of bird is that?
It's just a wild bird. We don't know what type it is.
Where are they?
Here, he's got one eye clear.
He's looking at me.
Yeah.
He's looking at my
I
leg.
don't think so. They're both still got crap in them. I don't know what he fell into.
Cameron, go get your water so we can give him more water so he can, like, take a bath.
Fill that whole thing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cameron has enough in there.
I need to go get some water.
Go get some more water, Cameron. Here, stay right here.
Just get a little bit of water. Daddy, why do you never do coin battles?
Evie, back up.
You're getting too close, sweetie. Back up so he's not scared. Back up, there. You don't want him to be scared.